In this age of social media, pay close attention to your value system. It can be easily eroded if you don't have a firm grounding. Don't be in awe of anyone showing off worldly possessions online. Instead, focus on his/her character and good moral principles, they're worth far more. Almighty, help us heal from all the violence and hatred that's been happening lately. May we pursue justice, not revenge, peace and not more violence. May healing come from our brokenness. May strength come from our vulnerability. Grant us ease, comfort us and protect us all. Amin. Time is one of the greatest blessings from the Almighty. Respect it and spend it wisely, because once gone, you won't get it back. Some don't respect your time, because they are trying to satisfy their own priorities, so when people don't respect your time, stop giving it to them. Let's face it. There are things in life we wished we had done differently. It's bound to happen. We're humans. So as soon as you realize you've made a poor decision, it's not too late to correct it. You're not stuck in any situation as long as you refuse to accept that you are. We live in a sad world. That's the reality. We have people hating on others for being successful. They judge and criticize those who are trying to do better, get closer to the Almighty. The list goes on. Why can't we mind our own business and just let people live? Is that so hard? When you let your emotions get the better of you, be careful. When you start insulting others and calling them names, like dog, donkey, etc., be careful. Are we not from the same species? Do we not share the same Creator? Remember, all the negativity you exude will come back to you. Don't tell the story if you only know part of it. It's a huge sin to make up or embellish stories. Besides, one-sided stories are dangerous. Only fools would answer before they know the whole matter. Protect your tongue from becoming a gossip funnel. Fear the Almighty's wrath. Always ask the Almighty to help us focus on things that are good, pure, honorable, righteous, excellent and worthy of praise. Abandon thoughts that cloud our judgment, cause doubt and make us think ill of others. They're the work of Satan. Good thoughts make all the difference. There'll always be brickbats and naysayers in life. That's the nature of man. Always interested in other people's lives. Learn to focus on your own journey. You will never reach your destination if you keep stopping and throwing stones at every dog that barks. Stay alert. Are you often distracted? In this age of constant distraction, focus is crucial in our relationship with the Almighty. This focus is not only meant for our daily prayers but should cover every aspect of our lives. Living a distracted life leads nowhere. You'll fall prey to Satan.